Hello again, welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today we'll be unboxing a FPV Goggle, where this is the hard case come together. Okay, so this is they call it LS800D. It's the same model as the LS800D with DVR. So this is another version. So this is the manual. As you can see, it's written with DVR. Okay, all the specifications are here. Okay, right. So this is the cable and the antenna provided. Came with directional FPV antenna, 14 dBi. Okay. Also a mushroom antenna, AV cable, and a USB cable for you to charge. So this is the goggle. This goggle can be separated into FPV Monitor. You can see there's a line here. Okay, actually very simple. You can just push. See, and just disconnect. There you are. So this is the FPV Monitor. There's a hole here for you to mount on tripod. You can mount on tripod, and then you just put on top of tripod, and you can just let it stand, and then you can fly your quadcopter or drone. Okay, so if you want to put it back, you can just put back and slide. Oops, back and slide up. There you are. Okay, so let's install the antenna. Let's see if we can power up using Goggle. This power button. Hold it out. Hold it. And you can see this power up. So this is the Goggle style. Okay, we'll do a testing without the Goggle mounting. Just take it off. Okay, looks good. This is 5-inch. Okay, we're gonna try the FPV Image. I'll be using my Mobula 7 HD. Let's try to check out the FPV. Okay, I just on my remote. Okay, there you are. Now we can search the band, the frequency. Yep, there you are. It's very clear. Very, very clear. See? Okay. Wow. Looks good. Probably can try search a better one. Okay, still the same. We can actually change the channel. E 6. Aha. Yeah, that's a better one. Look. Okay. That's good. And we can, this model comes with DVR, where you can insert the micro TF card, SD card, and you can record your footage. Let's try. What we're gonna do is, I have a micro SD card here, so just slot it in. Okay, push in. Oops. Okay, got it. Okay, can go for menu. Here you can adjust your brightness, contrast, color, sharpness, and record size. We can change from DVD and from VGA to, oops, sorry about that. Okay, we can change the record size from VGA to D1 or HD. Yep, HD. Now we'll be using HD. Record sound, can turn it off. Record time, or even you want to format the card first. Okay, so I think I better format the card first. Okay, now it's format. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Okay, should be done. Okay, now let's try. We're gonna do a recording. So press this button, record, and they will show you a red light will be on. Okay, so let's record. Red light is on, and on the screen you can see there's a red dot over here also, and it's blinking right now. So probably we'll test. Okay, so we're trying to record the footage. Alright. Okay, now we stop the recording by pressing the same button. Okay, done. Now let's see, we go for the AV mode to view back. You see there's a DVR mode. Load DVR. Okay, there you are. So I've turn off my quad first. Okay. Now this is the footage where we record in HD. How do you play this? Let's try. Menu. Oops. Nope. Menu again. DVR. This should work. Okay, how do you play? Oh, I'm gonna play search. No, not delete. There you are. Look. Yep, it's very clear, very clear. This is record in HD mode. So now we can go back to, we press menu, it goes back to the FPV mode. To power off, we just press the menu for a longer time and it's power off. Looks good. There is a headphone jack here. This is a USB charging port. where you can plug in your USB to charge with the battery. The battery that came together is built-in 3.7 volt 2000 milliampere. That should be enough for 2 hours flying a quad with capturing. So yeah, I think this is a good goggle. We'll give a try for my FPV flight. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.